Hey guys, today we're touching a topic that can start wars in comment sections. Java versus Python. Is Python overrated, or is Java just surviving on nostalgia? Let's be real for a second. Python is that friend who shows up late, does minimal work, and still gets all the praise. Clean syntax, fewer lines, fast results. That's why beginners love it, startups love it, and AI projects breathe Python. You write code today, it works today, and you feel productive immediately. No drama, no ceremony. Now, Java is the opposite personality. Java is the disciplined friend who wakes up early, follows rules, and actually keeps things running when things get serious. It's strict, verbose, and sometimes annoying, but that's exactly why banks, payment apps, back-end systems, and enterprise software still trust Java in 2026. When money, scale, and millions of users are involved, companies don't want quick hacks. They want predictability. Here's where people get confused. Python feels powerful because it lets you move fast. Java feels boring because it makes you think. But that boring part is what saves you when the system grows, traffic spikes, or something breaks at 2 a.m. Python helps you start, Java helps you survive. Now add AI into the mix. AI writes Python code insanely well. It can spin up scripts, models, and APIs in minutes. But guess what? AI also writes Java. The difference is if you don't understand fundamentals, Python plus AI can fool you into thinking you're a great developer. Java doesn't allow that illusion for long. It exposes weak logic very quickly. So is Python overrated? No, it's just used by too many people who stop learning after the basics. Is Java outdated? Definitely not. It's just not beginner-friendly, and beginners confuse hard with dead. In 2026, the smarter move isn't picking sides, it's picking goals. If you want AI, data, automation, Python is your weapon. If you want back-end, large systems, fintech, or long-term engineering, Java is still a monster. Different tools, different jobs, same future. So instead of fighting in comments, ask yourself one question. Do you want fast results, or do you want systems that last?